excited to dive into what WordPress Gutenberg content blocks can do for you. Hey bloggers, I hope you guys are as excited about WordPress Gutenberg as I am. I am going to show you all of the things that you can do with WordPress Gutenberg content blocks. I have been waiting for this for years. No more do we have the plain, awful, chunky text. Now we can add buttons and colors and calls to action and lists and images and YouTube videos and pins and quotes, all of that. So you might not know what you can do with all these content blocks, and I'm going to be taking them one by one. Let me just really quick explain what a content block is. All right, so we're doing a blog. We're on WordPress. WordPress is a very popular content management system. It is where a majority of websites are built on and blogs are built on, and it's a completely functioning website. So you're going to hear this a lot, WordPress. If you do need a WordPress website, you don't have one yet, reach out to me. My brothers over at Ballen Brands can help you get one built up. Also, if you're working on the affiliate marketing and you can kind of do it yourself, check out Wealthy Affiliate. There's also a really cool setup there, and I've got links in the video. So here's what we can do. So I've got my title, right? We've got our URL, got my intro, and now each one of these little plus signs gives us the option to add a content block that looks, feels, functions a certain way. So I'm going to start by clicking content block, and this is what we're going to go over today. Now up here I have my most used content blocks, and then we have inline elements. We have the most commonly used blocks. We have formatting. We have layout elements. We have widgets. Oh, I love my widgets. We have embeds. We have Yoast structured data blocks. And we have reusable. And what you're going to see is there are actually plugins that can even make this more comprehensive. So there might be some things that show up in your content block that might not be in somebody else's because of how your plugins and your theme functions. So I'm going to go through these all one by one in this series.